Let's see how to upload and share files in Microsoft Teams. First, go to the Teams tab on the left sidebar, and then select the team and channel where you want to share the file. Click the Files tab at the top of the channel. Hit Upload, then pick your file from your computer or OneDrive. After that, your file will now appear in the Files list. Want to make sure your teammates see the file? You can go back to the Posts tab, click the Attach or Paperclip icon, select the file from Teams and Channels, and then hit Send to share it in the conversation. And that's how to upload and share files in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!